Good morning, all. Uh, Good morning to all. I'm not sure what time you're going to watch my video, but as per my timing, as per right now, I wish all a very good morning and welcome to my session. First of all, I just want to introduce myself. Myself, Sajid Biswas. I am a FNB service faculty. FNB is a short term basically, so it's a food and beverage service faculty, and I am presently working with the Western College of Hotel Management, Hyderabad. And in the same site, I am a lecturer in charge for the first year, BHM City. The course name is BHM City. Anyway, so apart from my introduction, now come back to the study topic of the session. Today I am going to discuss about style of food service in a other way, especially at the interview time. The interviewers can ask you what are the different types of F&B service, types of F&B service they can ask you. So that is the topic of the day that we're going to discuss, and the objective of the session will be, by the end of this session, whoever will be my viewers, they will be able to understand what are the different types of services are available in hotel industry, along with their advantages and few of disadvantages. So I hope all of you are ready. Let's start with the topic. So first of all, as I said, I am a F&B service faculty. So those who don't have any idea what does it mean, for them, I just want to share. F&B service is a department in hotel industry. Hotel industry, the hotels basically run above, on the basis of four industrial major departments, and those are kitchen or the food production department, those who are responsible for making food. And the second one is my department, food and beverage service, those who are actually responsible for present that food in front of the guest. And not only that, they are in the same time they are taking care of the beverages. You know that very well. When you usually have the food, only the food will not satisfy you. If you want to satisfy it, you have to have some food, along with that you have to have some beverages. So my department is responsible for making that different kinds of beverages, so that's why it is called food and beverage service. And the third one is housekeeping. They are completely responsible for taking care of the maintenance and the cleanliness of the hotel. I'm extremely sorry. And then followed by one of the major department is called as front office. They are basically responsible for greet the guest and see of the guest, during the staying periods, allocate the rooms and all those things are comes under your front office. Anyway, so when I'm talking about F&B service department, and I'm sure most of you nowadays are going to restaurants for having the food. Sometime you are going for the wedding parties and all, there also you are getting the food and beverages. But if you observe those style of services, the style of presentation of the food in the wedding ceremony, and the presentation of the food in the restaurant, and the presentation of the food in the dhaba, I'm talking about the dhaba, they are serving food and beverages. And I'm talking about the thela wala, the pani puri wala, they are also, you have seen, they are also trying to serve you some food. So if you observe their way of service, the style of service, how they are serving to the guest, or how they are serving to their customer, they are different. And that they are different because of the environment, because of the other things, other elements also, they are different. And that is the topic of the day. Okay, what are the different types of style of services, food services or beverages services we found in the big hotels. So if I am talking about the types of services, it basically classified into five types. I repeat, this basically divided into five types. The first one is known as waiter service. The first one is known as your waiter service or table service. The second one is known as your self service, self and serve. So second one is known as your self service. Third one is known as your assisted service. Assisted service. The fourth one is known as your single point service. It's single point. So fourth one is known as your single point service, and the fifth one is known as your in situ. It's a, if I do the spelling, it's INSITU, in situ. It's a short form basically. In the full version, it is called as specialized service. I repeat once again. So five types of service majorly found all over the world. If that particular sector is related with F&B service, you go to anywhere, you will found any one of these kinds of characterized service in that particular sector. So first one is waiter service or table service. The second one is known as your self service. The third one is known as your assisted service. The fourth one is known as your single point service, and the fifth one is known as your in situ or specialized service. Now I will go through one by one. To make you more understand, I should use my the board and the marker, but unfortunately I don't have right now, so I will try to make you understand. So you have to also listen to me bit of carefully, so it will be easy for you to understand. It's not a rocket science, I repeat once again. So the first type, as I said, the first type I said, okay, waiter service. So if you consider the term called waiter, so from the name only you can quickly understand waiter. So somewhere this service will be involved with a waiter. Now who is waiter? The person who is taking down your order and serving the food to your table. That is called waiter. So in a service, if you observe a service, in that particular service, if you see a waiter is involved, the waiter is serving the food to your table, blindly you can call it as, okay, these types of service are known as your waiter service. Especially we found these kinds of services in the good qualities of restaurants. Now in waiter service also there are some criterias. It's not necessary that you go to any of the restaurant and you will see the same similar kinds of activities are done by the waiters. So you go to different restaurants, you will see in one place waiter is doing the service in a way, in the other place the waiter that waiter is doing the services in another way. Are you getting my point? That means I want to say the waiter service is further classified into 6 types. A very important question for the interviewers, those who are planning to grow up their career in F&B service, those who want to face the interview for F&B service in future. Interviewers, most of the interviewers, they usually ask this question, and especially for the boys, those who are for the boys and the girls, those who are looking forward for abroad placement, abroad hoteliers, whenever they take the interviews, they definitely ask this question. So there can be 2 types of question, don't get confused. One will be your known as your types of service, and the other question can come, what are the different types of table service. So you have to understand that question, and according to that you have to give the answer. So right now I am talking about the table service types. The first one I say table service. So table service types. Table service basically classified into 6 types. The first type is known as your English service. The second type is known as your American service. The third type is known as your French service. The fourth type is known as your Russian service. And the fifth type is known as your Gurido service. Gurido, so what is that? I'll just explain. And the sixth type is known as your tray service. That means the 6 names I just enlisted in front of you. Now, for all these services, somewhere the waiter is involved. That is the reason these 6 types of the classification I just told it to you, those are known as your waiter service. That means waiter is required, waiter is mandatory. And whatever the types I said, all those types of services can be done when the guest is sitting on in front of the table. Then only you can done these kinds of services. That means the waiter can carry the food, and as a waiter he cannot give it to in your hand. It's a professional areas, there we have to be maintain so much of manners. So where he will keep it, the waiter need to keep that food in front of the guest, and he need to place that food on the table. That is the reason the other name of waiter service is table service. Till the time I think I am clear. So English service, American service, French service, Russian service, Gurido, and the last one is tray. All these six types are comes under your waiter service.